Monster Jam Mini, Race and Chomp Place, Laser X Revolution. The #1 home laser tag system on the planet. Dragon Power Nerf Ember Strike, Sky Blaze. They have dragon sets, dinosaurs. There's a tiger. These look real. I mean, they're really good. Panda, turtle, cow, zebra, and giraffe. See, there's a black dragon. Wow. Look at that alligator with the babies on its back. That's pretty cool. It's really big too. $17.99. You have little trees. There's a white dragon. And there's a two-headed dragon. Three-headed. It's a three-headed dragon. There's a woolly mammoth back here. It's the Sharper Image Monster Garage Remote Control Tire Swap. 2-in-1 custom building set. It's got the truck, and tires, tools. And then up here, I have an electric scooter. It says try me, but let's see what happens. Oh, it's got sound. Dueling Ninja Strike, swords and sensor set. Here is a Monster Jam, Sparkle Smash, True Metal. Looks like a unicorn truck. Isn't that cool? Discovery, Mindblown. Was a microscope set. 48 pieces with durable metal framework. Monster Jam Mini, Race and Chomp playset. Sharper Image, Monster Baja Remote Control All-Terrain Vehicle. Racing Club, number 77. That's the Hobbit. 3D playing cards. That's pretty neat. They're $1.25. Crouch Couch, the furniture with attitude game. Look at that couch. Right, these are make it blocks. So here, this is a set of spacemen. And they have a set of Coast Guard. And here's the monster truckers. Wow, here's sorcerers, wizards, sorcerers. PJ Masks. Down here is Imaginext DC Friends. They're pretty big. And here's another PJ Mask. We have some new metal cars in. All different kinds. There's a blue truck. Here's what looks like a Jeep or a Hummer. They have sports cars. There's a whole box of them. They just came in. Glowing silly putty. Look at that. It glows. Wonder how much it is. I'm going to have to see how much that is because I like that. The glowing in green and yellow. Let's see. They have super bright yellow. Mini pullback blazing bus, die-cast cruisers, a school bus. Here's Star Wars Boba Fett, bobblehead. Speedstorm. $35. Speedstorm. $35.